Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use digital cards in Wise. So guys, whether you're shopping online or just want extra security for your transaction, Wise digital cards are a great option. So guys, in order for you to use the digital cards in Wise, first thing that you will do is log in into your Wise account through the app or website, and from there navigate to the cards section into your dashboard. And from there guys, if you don't have a digital card, you can just simply click on get a digital card to create one. And if you already have one, it should be appearing on the cards section. And from there, guys, you will have two options. You can either add to Apple Wallet, and you can either add to Google Pay. So if you are using an Android, it will be Google Pay. If you are using an Apple, it will be add to Apple Wallet. And from there, just simply select what you prefer. And from there, guys, once you have added it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, just simply use it as a default card. And from there, you'll be able to use it. And if you want to have a physical card, you can just tap on order a card. And from there, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.